In this video, we're making scones two different ways: chocolate blueberry and white chocolate strawberry. In a small bowl, combine 1.5 cups of blueberries with 1 cup of milk chocolate chips. Then add 2 tablespoons of flour, give it a quick toss, and set aside. The flour will keep the blueberries from bursting and bleeding into the dough mixture. To a stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment, add 4 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, and beat on low speed until just combined. Then add 1 stick of cold, cubed, unsalted butter. If it's not cold, layers won't form and your scones won't rise. So make sure it's cold. Beat on low speed, breaking up the butter, for about 15 to 20 seconds, or until you see small crumbs form. If you have a pastry cutter, you can cut in the butter that way too. Either way, you're looking for pea-sized pieces of butter to remain. Next, pour in 1.25 cups of milk and mix on low speed until just blended. Then add the blueberry chocolate mixture and beat once again on low speed until just combined. Dust your work surface area with flour. Turn the dough out onto the work surface area. Using your hands, you don't need a rolling pin, shape the dough into a 1-inch thick square. Then using a knife, cut the dough into 4 sections. Then cut each section in half diagonally to give yourself 8 triangles. Using a spatula, transfer the triangles to a parchment paper lined baking sheet, spacing them a few inches apart so they don't clump up while baking. Brush the top of each scone with 1 tablespoon of melted butter, sprinkle with some sugar, then bake at 375 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes, or until the tops are lightly golden brown. In the end, they should look something like this. While these cool, we can start making the white chocolate strawberry version of these scones. In a small bowl, combine 1.5 cups of diced strawberries and 1 cup of white chocolate chips. Add 2 tablespoons of flour and give it a quick toss. From here, the steps and ingredients are the same as the blueberry scones. To an electric mixer, add 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, and 1 stick of cold, cubed, unsalted butter. Give that a quick mix on low speed. Then pour in 1.25 cups of milk. Beat that on low speed until just combined. And then finally, the strawberry mixture. Once the strawberry mixture is added, flour your work surface area, turn the dough out, shape the dough into a 1-inch thick square, cut the dough just like the blueberry scones, transfer to a parchment paper lined baking sheet, brush with butter, sprinkle with some sugar, then bake at 375 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. And while these cool, we make the powdered sugar glaze. In a small bowl, combine 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 5 to 6 tablespoons of milk. Whisk those ingredients together. Drizzle the glaze over the top of the scones. And there we have it, chocolate blueberry and white chocolate strawberry scones.